So what these vandals and thieves do is they use these sponges to close the entrances of the hives, and then they don't open them again, and then you can see thousands of dead bees all suffocated. So these hives have all been vandalized. This is what happens when you don't have sufficient security for your apiary. The boxes just get stripped, all the frames, all the combs. I think we might even have some bees here. Yeah, there's some bees that have now moved in underneath here now. Another bad example of hive vandalism in KwaZulu-Natal. In this video I'm going to show you 3 ways that we use to protect our hives and apiaries from thieves and vandals. And at the end of the video I'm going to show you the best method and equipment that we use to protect our bees. So putting a fence around your apiary with a locked gate is a good solution, but it can become pretty expensive, especially when we're using razor wire and gum poles. We've got shade net over this apiary just because this area is really hot. Today's 40 degrees Celsius, but we found that thieves and vandals still do get into the apiary if they want to. So ideally what we need is a camera inside the apiary that notifies us when someone or something is on the outside of the apiary or trying to get into the apiary. So it's not always practical to fence your apiary, especially when you're moving your hives around or they're in a very remote location. So putting up a camera as high as possible and out of sight can be beneficial. So we do that all the time, so that if there is movement in and around the apiaries, we get a notification, at least so that we can do something about it. So these vandals, they often just strip the hives for combs. They literally remove all your frames, cut out all your combs, and just leave your hives open. If you don't get there in time, your bees abscond. They often just burn the hives and kill all the bees. If you place or hang hives in remote areas like this, you have to go high as possible. For obvious reasons, it's extremely difficult for vandals and thieves to get to them, but also in this case, we're hanging hives in this area for swarm trapping, and we find we have the best success for trapping swarms when our boxes are as high as possible. Also, thieves would have to come with a vehicle and a ladder to access these hives, and just in case, we have placed cameras on access points to these areas so that we at least are aware of people in the area. So we've been using this solar trail camera. It is the ESCAM QF380, and what makes it so good is that it stays 100% charged all the time, and it works on an app on your phone or your laptop. So when it gets a trigger notification, it comes through like a WhatsApp message. And it's almost instant. There's no delay. There's maybe a 20 to 30 second delay between trigger and the message coming through on your phone. It's got a tree mount here, so you can angle it just how you want to, and we find it just works excellent. I will leave a link in the description below to where you can get it. I'm not an affiliate for ESCAM, but at the sale price that it's currently on, it's a great value for money. So if you want good apiary safety, there's something I definitely look into. We're also giving away a free honeybee relocations and removals course. There's a link in the description below to where you can get it. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.